Hello students, I am Khotsre sir from Guruvarya Dadoji Konddev Sainik School Tasgaon. Today we are going to learn about subject verb agreement part 2nd from our spotting errors, which will be useful for the students who are trying for UPSC written exam for the subject English. So let's say subject verb agreement part 2nd. Words such as politics, ethics, athletics, etc. that and in ICS are usually singular and hence singular verb. Mathematics is his favorite subject. Politics is itself a dirty game. So though ICS is last in these words, they take singular verb. But these words are singular when they refer to a study, science or practice. If these words have modifiers with them, they become plural and hence take plural verbs. For example, his politics are somewhat divided. इधर पॉलिटिक्स के पहले हिज आया है इसलिए बाद में आर यूज किया है. इन द सेम वे द मैथमेटिक्स ऑफ द टैक्स रिटर्न आर फ्लॉलेस. सो व्हेन देयर आर मॉडिफायर्स मीन्स इन वर्ड्स के पहले या बाद में और वर्ड्स आते हैं, मॉडिफायर्स आते हैं, तो वो प्लूरल फॉर्म हो जाते हैं. Now title of the books. Title of the books need singular verbs. Great Expectations is a good book. Tom Jones is a book of Fielding. Some nouns in the plural form represent an amount, a fraction, or an element of time. These nouns are considered singular and hence take singular verbs. 60 minutes is enough to finish this work. 3/4 of the land is barren. 60 minutes आया है इसलिए is यूज़ किया है. 3/4 आया है इसलिए is यूज़ किया है. If two subjects are joined together by as well as the verb will act according to the first subject. Students as well as the teacher are playing. He as well as his brothers is sitting there. So पहले सेंटेंस में students आया है इसलिए are, सेकेंड में he आया है इसलिए is. I as well as he am going out of station for some work. The subject many a is always followed by the singular verb. Many a man was drowned in the sea. If two subjects are joined together by with, the verb will act according to the subject. For example, the principal together with his students was seeing the final match. इधर was जो है वो प्रिंसिपल के हिसाब से आया है, not with the students. So the principal together with his students was seeing the final match. The students together with the principal were seeing the final match. Now the same sentence is there. Second sentence में students के हिसाब से where आया है. So if two subjects are joined together by with, the verb will act according to the subject. If the subject is the number of, use a singular verb. The number of books is very small. The number of boys in this team is 10. A number of means many. If the subject begins with a number of means many, use a plural verb. A number of books are missing. If two subjects express one idea, use a singular verb. For example, bread and butter is a wholesome food. Here bread and butter एक ही आइडिया है, इसलिए is यूज किया है. Soup and salad is too light a lunch. When adjectives such as much, less, little, and more are used as nouns, they must have a singular verb. A little of good habits makes our life happy. इधर एडजेक्टिव लिटल यूज किया है, इसलिए बाद में makes आया है, singular verb. Less than $1,000,000 of rupees is required. Less आया है, इसलिए बाद में verb is आया है. So when there are the words like much, less, little and more, we should use singular verb. In this way we finish here this topic. Thank you.